In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open any PDF file in Google Drive. By the end of this video, you'll be able to open a PDF directly inside Google Drive, view it in preview, and use the open with options if it doesn't open right away. Open PDF in Google Drive. First, open Google Drive. On your screen, go to Google Drive in your web browser. Wait for your drive to load so you can see your folders and files. Find your PDF file. Scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to type the file name. Look for the PDF icon next to the file name so you know you've got the right file. Double-click the file, move your mouse over the PDF, and double-click. This tells Drive to open it in the built-in viewer. It will open in preview mode. You should now see the PDF in a clean preview window with a toolbar at the top. From here, you can read through the pages and you'll see basic controls like zoom and print. Preview mode is just for viewing. It does not change the original file. If it doesn't open, don't worry. You might see a blank page or an error if your browser had trouble loading it. We'll use another way to open it from the same place. Right-click File. Go back to your Drive file list. Right-click on the PDF to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click does the same thing. Click Open with Arrow Preview / Google Docs. Choose Preview to view the PDF again using Google Drive's viewer. This is the fastest way to read the file without making any changes. If you choose Google Docs, Drive will open the PDF inside Google Docs. This tries to extract the text and images so you can edit or copy the content. Keep in mind, formatting may look different when a PDF is opened in Google Docs, especially with complex layouts, but it's helpful if you need to work with the text. Or click Download and open locally. If preview still won't load, use the same right-click menu and select Download. The PDF will save to your computer. Once it's downloaded, open it locally with your default PDF viewer. This is a reliable fallback if your browser is having trouble. At this point, you've opened your PDF in Google Drive using Preview, used Open With if needed, or downloaded it to open locally. Your PDF is accessible and viewable, and everything is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.